Tapos na talaga ang Miss Universe Philippines. Okay, so Atisa Manalo won the Miss Universe Philippines 2025. And syempre, hindi pa rin naman masisisi o hindi natin masisisi na merong mga followers ni ganito, ni ganyan, na marami pa rin mga sinasabi about dapat silang nanalo o ito yung nanalo, yung mga bet nila ang nanalo. But we're not talking about that, okay? We're not going to rant or to just justify or any comment about bakit hindi sila nanalo, etc. At bakit si Atisa ang nanalo. This video pag-usapan natin, sino ba yung mga dapat bumalik sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026? Sino ba yung mga may karapatan na bumalik? At sino ba yung mga talagang alam mo na may chance na po pwedeng manalo talaga ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026? May chance silang manalo dahil hindi lang sa lakas or kapit or whatsoever. Malakas ang panalo nila or may chance silang manalo dahil meron silang tunay na ganda, appeal, at po pwede talaga dahil sa communication skills.
Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzabala. Let's talk about beauty pageant.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roderick Cruzabala, and today's video pag-usapan nga natin ang mga Miss Universe Philippines 2025 contestants na hindi nanalo. Ito yung mga napasama sa top 24. Alam mo yun, sila yung mga de calibre. Okay, so sila yung mga candidates na pwedeng bumalik sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026 competition. Bago tayo magsimula guys, if you're new to my channel, if you wanna support my small channel, just click the subscribe button at huwag kakalimutan ng notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss ang aking mga susunod na uploads, everything about beauty pageant. Alright, so sino nga ba yung mga girls na pwedeng bumalik dahil sobrang palaban, may ganda, may talino, may katawan? Sila yung talagang mga may caliber. Okay? So sila yung talagang pwedeng pumasok sa Miss Universe 2026 if ever mananalo ang isa sa kanila. Although, syempre, meron talagang mga kailangang baguhin, i-improve, but definitely sila yung mga talagang pwede na kung sakali man na mag-iisip lang tayo among them, di ba? So, just disclaimer, hindi ito parang pinopromote ko sila whatsoever. Definitely, meron pa rin tayong mga bagong mukha na makikita comes 2026. But pag-usapan natin kung sino ba among this mga hindi nanalo sa Miss Universe Philippines 2025 ang mga may karapatan na pwede at dapat bumalik sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. So, unahin na nga natin, medyo tumatagal na. Unahin natin ang Miss Occidental Mindoro. Okay, so sobrang bata, 18 years old. Napakaganda ng kanyang styling during the semifinals or the preliminary and the grand coronation. Definitely, na-maintain niya yung exotic, beautiful, fierce, sexy, sultry, bata. Alam mo yun, makikita mo yung youthfulness sa kanya. Kahit alam mo na talagang super ibang-iba yung makeup niya during the swimsuit, during the evening gown. Ain is very, very beautiful, very promising. Okay, so it's just that the styling has to be consistent. Okay, so ang ganda ng styling niya during the coronation night. Although hindi nga natin siya narinig magsalita. And me personally, hindi ko narinig kung paano siya magsalita. But definitely, I'm just basing on the beauty and the overall appeal. I think that she has what it takes. Okay, so pwedeng hindi Miss Universe Philippines, pwedeng Miss Supra, Miss Eco, whatsoever na mga pinapamigay ng the Miss Philippines pageant. But definitely, I think, speaking of Miss Universe Philippines 2026, I think that she has the guts, she has the qualities. If ever, meron pa talaga siyang plano. And if ever, kukunin ulit siya ng Occidental Mindoro, why not? She has these qualities. The next one is, syempre, isa sa talagang paborito ng marami ever since. Nung manalo siya ng Miss Universe Philippines Laguna, definitely, Eloisa is one of the statuettes. Talagang siya yung may pinakamagandang katawan. Okay? Merong mas matangkad sa kanya, but she has talagang nag-register na talagang mahaba yung mga legs, mahaba yung mga arms, na pang model talaga. Okay? It's just that I think ang complaint ng iba, ang notice ng iba during the coronation and the whole pageant itself is yung styling. So masyadong parang nakaplakado, parang isa yung type ng makeup niya, especially in general sa hairstyle and everything. So siguro medyo kulang lang ng konti sa paiba-ibang styling na medyo siguro dapat konting fresh minsan, konting ganito. But definitely the beauty itself, that is her strength. Okay, yung aura, yung X factor, siguro yung speaking skills. Ang kailangan niyang baguhin is kailangan niyang maging powerful. The way she deliver, dapat dagdagan niya ng power. Mas commanding, mas medyo may impact. Hindi masyadong mahinihin or something. But definitely qualities, the beauties, everything. I think Eloisa Hawud, Miss Laguna, should come back. Syempre, susunod dyan is walang iba kundi ang the Miss Philippines Cosmo. Isa sa pinaka maganda ang performance the whole entire Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Speaking of performance sa swimsuit, talagang super sexy, sultry. Definitely, she gave one of the best, maybe the best, to be honest, in swimsuit and in evening gown. The aura, alam mo yung aura niya, yung X-factor niya, yung beauty niya, yung makeup, yung styling. Super, super plakado na parang Miss Venezuela, Latina. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung lips niya, yung color ng lips, yung makeup, the whole styling during the coronation night. She was amazing. I think that she really need to come back in case talagang interesado pa siya. I think that she is one of the candidate na talagang pwede at may karapatang bumalik. Trending pa nga yung kanyang lipstick. Ano daw kulay yung lipstick niya, anong brand, and sabi niya is Achuete. But yeah, so Chelsea Fernandez is really, really amazing. I think that she should come back. Next natin is syempre si Niloan Laguna. Okay, si Niloan Laguna is syempre hindi yan mawawala sa mga wini-wish ng iba na bumalik. In all honesty, the only concern for me is that yung super parang nag-focus siya sa how she will look. Pansin na pansin ko na masyado siyang focus how she will stand, how she will dress, how she will look, the hair and everything. Plus sasamahan mo ng super galing ng mga words when she speaks. Of course, she sound really, really smart, definitely, but I think that yun yung naging downfall niya. Masyadong parang may gap between the audience, between the masa, between the people. Kasi parang yun yung aura na naramdaman ko during the entire journey, especially sa mga videos na nakikita natin na nagsasalita siya na super parang super smart ang dating. And also, yun nga, yung parang hindi siya siguro nag-enjoy the whole pageant. Parang medyo siguro na-stress siya or nag-focus siya masyado. Just like the other candidates na masyadong focus how they will perform and everything, how they will look like in the camera. Mga ganun. But definitely, she has a beauty. I disagree with some of the bloggers na nagsasabing hindi siya pang Miss Universe. There is no specific beauty for Miss Universe, definitely. If you will look in the past, of course, there's no like specific kind of beauty. And this day and age, hindi naman nakaplakado kung ano dapat ang itsura ng Miss Universe contestants, di ba? Or winner itself, di ba? So yeah, so si Niloan Laguna, Iliana Aduana is I think so one of the best candidates na dapat bumalik kung talagang gusto pa rin niya. Although if she is not really interested, then of course be it. But definitely she is one of the candidate or girl na pwede may karapatang bumalik sa Miss Universe Philippines. Last but not the least is ang nanay. Okay, so isa na siyang nanay, 32 years old na siya ngayon. So she's gonna be 33 next year. Winwin Marquez. She is the strongest palaban. The speaking skills, alam mo yung on point. Hindi siya sound smart, but she's smart. Nagigets mo ba? Does that make sense? Na she's smart, but hindi mo siya maririnig or wala kang mararamdaman na super smart. But she's smart, definitely. I don't know, nakakalito ba? But yeah, so Winwin Marquez, kung palaban na aura, performance-wise, definitely she is sobrang palaban. She has a beauty naman. Just like I said, wala namang standard ang beauty ng Miss Universe. I don't wanna mention girls na nanalong Miss Universe. So, but hindi siya standard, di ba? But definitely, Winwin Marquez, if ever babalik siya, I bet na talagang mananalo siya. Kung babalik siya, alam mo naman natin, connection-wise and everything, I'm not saying mananalo siya dahil sa connection, but definitely, syempre nagko-communicate siyang mga yan, di ba? So, hindi naman siya babalik. Kung babalik siya, if it means na pinabalik siya or meron siyang go signal, meron siyang malalaman na something na pwede siyang bumalik at pwede siyang manalo. Okay? So, it's just that maybe this year, hindi pa ready ang Miss Universe Philippines na magpadala ng mother. But next year, if ever ready na ang Miss Universe Philippines, and kung magpapatuloy at kaya pa rin niyang igawin yung mga ginawa niya this year sa Miss Universe Philippines, alam mo yung perseverance, the hard work, the makeup, the styling, and everything, I think that she has a big chance na manalong Miss Universe Philippines 2026. So, yeah. So, this is it. This is a very quick video. Ano masasabi nyo? Do you agree with what, alam mo yung mga naiisip ko, yung mga sinabi ko? Do you really agree na dapat silang bumalik or hindi na dapat? Ibang mukha naman, etc. But, yeah. So, this is it. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you guys stay safe and be safe. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzabala. Let's talk about beauty pageant. She is amazing. Her qualities and beauty, wow. This is Roderick Cruzabala. Thank you for watching.